Okay, we talk about issue areas. So we are really very interested in understanding what kind of hazards is actually brought upon by emerging technologies, especially in the area of renewable energy. So this is what we call the clean energy transition. So by changing from the current fossil fuel energy, so the new energy like solar energy and also the battery is causing a lot of unexpected consequences. Yet a lot of countries and organizations, they tend to focus more on the positive side instead of the hazard. That's why we see the opportunity for ULSE engagement, especially through our standards, to able to provide guidance to countries outside North America, to help all the countries to go through a safe transition.